Do you know what it's like to feel empty when you love someone? I didn't know neither. Until now. I didn't know a heart could lose its natural color and turn as dark as a raven. I didn't know the soul can turn as blue as a deep ocean. No, I guess I know. Hey, sweetheart. Dinner's almost ready. Okay. I'll be there in 5 minutes. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. I'm waiting for you. Okay, Mom. My name's Scarlett, and here's how I found my scariest shadow that I call depression. Yeah, I'm coming! You didn't take your shower, did you? Oh, yeah, but I'm just tired tonight. But I take it tomorrow. Don't worry. So, I had a job interview today. And to be honest, I think I'm aiming harder this time. Oh, by the way, there's a film festival at the end of March. If you wanna go, I might take you one of things for at least a round. Scarlett. Hey, Scarlett! Yoo-hoo! What? Are you listening to me? Oh, sorry, just thinking. What are you saying? I said there's a film festival at the end of March. If you wanna go. Not this year. Thanks. But it's your favorite time of the year. Mom, just not this year, okay? Maybe next time. Okay, as you wish. Aren't you hungry? Oh, no, not tonight. I'm beat. Can I go to my bedroom now? Yeah, sure. But don't complain if you're hungry in the middle of the night. I won't. Don't worry.
Scarlett, wake up. Scarlett.
Dad? Dad? Dad?
You've been wearing that for 4 days straight?
Yeah, why?
I don't know, maybe it would be better if you changed today. They're getting dirty.
Mom, it's just clothes. It's not the end of the world. And I'm fine with this.
Yeah, I know, Scar, but you can't.
Oh my god, yeah, did you see his face? He was terrified. He panicked for his life when the teacher caught him. Yeah. That was so funny.
Yeah, totally.
Hey girls, do you know if...
Did you finally watch Stranger Things?
Oh my god, yeah, it's so good. And the ending, wow.
I can't wait for the next season.
Sorry, Scarlett, what are you about to say?
Nothing funny. Don't worry.
Damn, look at the hottie.
Wait, where are you done with Zayn?
Well, I mean, how can you move on with a guy like that around?
Yeah, okay, you got a point. Him as kissed like a god.
How do you think?
Hello, yeah.
What did we have to do for English? Fill out a worksheet?
Oh my god, that's so boring.
Yeah, but I kinda like English. Yeah, I can tell the way you talk to Nolan. Hey, that's not true.
Hey Scar, you're just in time. Dinner's ready.
No, I'm not hungry. Gonna hit the bed. Night.
What? Scarlett, you've gotta...
What? I said the history teacher is in here today, so we're leaving earlier. Oh, I didn't know. That's cool. Scarlett, you sure you're... Hey girls, what's up? Oh, we're fine. We're just talking about the history teacher. He's absent today. Oh, great news then. Jeez, Scarlett, did you just walk out of a Tim Burton movie or what?
Grace!
Because you think your damn mean girl's look is better than mine?
Well, okay, I was just joking, girl.
You need to take it so personally. Oh, you're so dramatic.
Grace, she just
has a father, blah blah blah. We got it, okay? But it's not a reason to overreact like that.
You have no idea what it's like.
Scotty, wait. Don't worry, sis. You'll get over it. Come on, enough. Let's go in class.
Daddy isn't here to comfort you anymore, little Sky. Have you ever felt that it might be your fault that he died? Come on, do it. Nobody cares anyway. You were a mess, a mistake. Can't you see how you hurt everyone around you? You're... Put that damn phone down. They don't care. They're just acting.
I'm so stupid. Hey, Scar. I received a call from the high school. I was just tired, Mom. I needed to go back home. I'm tired too when I'm at work, but I don't come home to slack off. That's not excuse. Listen, Scarlett, you can't start skipping classes. You don't understand. Yeah, right. I don't understand. Listen, you have to go back tomorrow. Skipping won't take the pain away. That's not how it works. You need to pull yourself together and put it some effort. You can't...
What? I can what, Mom? I'm sick of no one understanding. My chest fucking hurts. It's like no one even cares. Maybe things will be different if Dad hasn't abandoned us on that fucking plane.
Scar, no. He didn't abandon us. You know that.
Yes, he did, Mom. If it hadn't taken that fucking plane, he'd still be here. Right now, he'd be walking through the door, calling me that stupid nickname, Blue Sky, and kissing us hello like he always did.
Scarlett.
Why, Mom? Why are you acting like it doesn't hurt you at all? Why are you acting like you don't give a fuck, damn it?
Hey, watch your tone. You're going back to school tomorrow. End of discussion.
Damn it. I'm so tired. I wish I could join you, Dad.
Oh, you're already awake. Surprising. I'm heading to work. Try to go to school today, okay? It's the last day before weekend. Okay, I'll try. See you tonight. Mom? Yes, sweetheart?
I love you.
Love you too, Scar. See you tonight. They say dreams come true if you work hard enough. That's never been true for me. Until today. Because today, I finally get to see my dad again. A fairy tale, right?
Scarlett, I got another call from the school. Okay, sleepyhead. What is... Hey, Scar. Scarlett. Scarlett, wake up! Come on, wake up! Scarlett, no! Don't do this to me, sweetheart, please! No! Sweetheart, please, wake up!
911, what's your emergency?
Damn. Oh, hello, Scarlett. You're finally awake. Finally?
Yeah, you were asleep for 2 days. The overdose nearly killed you. But your mom called just in time. That's what matters.
My mom?
So, how are you feeling after your big nap? Don't worry. With a bit of rest, you'll stop feeling better soon. And maybe a few sessions with a therapist, if you're okay with that. But that's something you'll talk about with your mom.
Yeah, okay. Oh, by the way, your mom's really looking forward to seeing you. She's been so worried about you. Would it be okay if she came in for just 5 or 10 minutes? Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you. Hey, sweetheart. Hey. How are you feeling? Could be better, but I'm okay. Listen, Scar.
No, Mom.
No, please, listen to me. I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry for pushing you to go back to school, given everything that was going on. I tried to hide my own pain so I wouldn't pin more on you. I ended up overlooking yours. And No, Mom, listen to me. You don't have to apologize for anything. None of this is your fault. It's hard for all of us, especially when you lose someone so precious and you've got everything else paid up too. And when I said that abandoned us, that's not what I really meant, you know. It just... Sweetheart, I know. That's what grief is, isn't it? It's hard to accept that someone's really gone, so you convince yourself that I abandoned you, even if it's not true. It's normal to think that way when you're in denial, especially when it happened so soon. But your father loves you, Scar. I know. By the way, Scar, what would you think about seeing a therapist? The nurse just told me that. Well, looks like she beat me to it. But, yeah, I want to try. And I think what happened, this happened, made me realize that I do want to get better. Like, for real. Even if life can be really hard sometimes, it doesn't stop when someone dies. It's so painful at first, but things do get better, right? Yeah, of course, sweetheart. I love you, Mom. I love you too, my baby girl. Ma'am, it's time to go. Your time is up. See you tonight, sweetheart. Make sure to get some rest, okay? Yeah, don't worry. See you tonight. I always wanted to fly like a bird when I was little, to see the world from a different perspective, flying on a sunny day with trees full of flowers and nature smiling. But I learned that rain can fall and flying can become harder. Sometimes there's a storm and the ability to fly becomes uncrunchable, almost impossible. Sometimes some of the other birds leave you and some of them die and you never see them again. But it's okay, because when the sun comes back, you reach the end of the journey and think, damn, despite the storm, I held on. I made it this far. That the shadow of the dark clouds is gone. And damn, it feels so good to say that. To know that despite everything, you did it and you're so proud of yourself. My name's Scarlett, and today I choose to live.